Good morning, students. This is our third session. We are doing chapter 1, that is number system. In the first session, we talked about what is number system and what are the different type of number system we have. We have seen decimal number system, binary number system, hexadecimal number system and octal number system. We have discussed each and everything. And in the last session, we have done conversion, that is changing the number from one form to the another or converting the number from one form to another, decimal to binary, binary to decimal, decimal to octal, octal to decimal, decimal to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to decimal. So these are the conversion we have seen. But I've got so many phone calls regarding the some doubts. So I have taken this topic once again. Here I have taken very simple number, that is 19. I will teach you how to convert decimal to the binary. So what is the procedure I have to do it? Here the number is 19. What is my objective? I have to convert decimal to binary. So what is the base of the binary? 2. So I have written the 2 here. Now I am converting 19, which is my decimal number, to the binary. So I will divide by 2. So you read the table of it 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18. So 9, that is the quotient I have written here. 2 9s are 18. So what is the remainder I got? 1. That's why I have written the 1 here. Clear? Let us again, we'll do the same thing. So 2 is here. I will divide by 9. Let us again read the table of it 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 fours are 8. So 2 fours are 8. 4 is here. What is the remainder I got? 1. 2 twos are 4. Again we read the table. What is the remainder we got? 0. Now again you have to divide 2 by this 2. That is 2 ones are 2. What is the remainder we got? 0. Again 2 ones are 2. Again we'll divide 2. Now you just think it over. Do we have 1 in the table of a 2? No. Because 2 ones are 2. We are always starting our table from the 1 only. If suppose you start your table from the 0. So what would be the first number? That is 2 into 0. 2 zeros are 0. So what I will get? I will get the 2. Let me tell you this. Suppose 2, I have the 2 here. I will try to tell you how I can show you this. Wait. Let me take this. My student might have recognized it. What is this basic? Bali 2 multiply by 0, that is equals to 0 only. So if I will divide like this, what is the remainder I will get it? I will get only 1. So even I told you last time, whenever you will read the number, you will read the number from bottom to top, not from the top to bottom. So you have to read the number from bottom to top. So it is 10011. This is my number. That is, I have converted my decimal number to the binary and I got this. Now if I want to convert this binary number to the decimal, so vice versa of this process, how you can do it? First you will write that number in a one box. Since the base is 2, so I am using 2 here, and I kept the power here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what is the meaning of the power. If I am writing to the 2 to the power 0, if any number having the power 0, its value would be 1. 2, if the power is 1, what is my value? 2. So 2 ones are 2. 2 to 2 to the power 2 means I will write 2 2 times. That is 2 2s are 4. But if I will multiply 4 into 0, what is the answer? I will get 0 only. Here 2 to the power 3 means I will write 2 3 times. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. So I will get the 8, not 6. We are not adding here, we are multiplying. So 8 zeros are 0 here. Again 2 to the power 4 means I will write the 2, then we multiply. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16. So 16 ones are 16. So 16 plus 2 is how much? 18. 18 plus 1 is how much? 19. So we got the 19 which we have started. So that's all for today. I hope now this concept will be very clear to you. Thank you.